Hey everyone, the moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. The DV 2026 Diversity Visa Lottery results will be available starting May the 3rd, 2025. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to check your result, the most common mistakes people make, and pro tips to avoid errors that could cost you your chance. So grab your confirmation number, stay tuned, and let's dive in. 1. What you need before checking. Before you check your result, make sure you have the following information ready. Confirmation number. This is the 16-character number you received after submitting your entry. It starts with 26. Last family name, exactly as you entered it on your application. Year of birth, just the year, not the full date. Tip number 1. If you lost your confirmation number, don't panic. The official site has a Forgot Confirmation Number tool. You'll need your name, birth year, and the email you used during registration. 2. Step-by-step, how to check your DV 2026 result. Here's how to check your DV 2026 result, step-by-step. Step 1. Go to the official DV Entrance Status Gate Check website. Step 2. Click on the Check Status button. Step 3. You'll be redirected to the Entrance Status Check page. Click Continue. Step 4. Fill in your confirmation number, last/family name, year of birth. Type the captcha code shown. Step 5. Click Submit. If you're selected, you'll see a letter that says, "You have been randomly selected," and it'll include further instructions. If not selected, you'll get a message saying, "Based on the information provided, you have not been selected. Don't give up. You can try again in the next year's lottery." 3. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't let small mistakes ruin your chances. Here are common errors to watch out for. Mistake number 1. Wrong website. Only use the official site, https://dvprogram.state.gov. Never trust third-party or unofficial links asking for your confirmation number or money. Mistake number 2. Typing errors. Double-check your confirmation number and last name exactly as entered. Don't use extra spaces or different spellings. Mistake number 3. Misreading the result. Some people panic when they don't understand the result. Read the message carefully. If it says, "You have been randomly selected," congrats. If it says "not selected," then unfortunately, you weren't chosen this time. Mistake number 4. Losing confirmation number. Always save your confirmation number in multiple places. Email, screenshot, printed copy, etc. 4. Pro tips after checking. So, what's next after checking? If selected, follow all the instructions in your selection letter. Start preparing your documents: birth certificate, passport, police report, photos, etc. Check your case number. Low numbers are processed earlier. Wait for instructions on when to schedule your visa interview. If not selected, remember it's a lottery. Many people try for years before winning. You can apply again for DV 2027 when the next entry opens, likely in October 2025. Make sure you avoid errors next time during your entry. Pro tip: save a copy of your DV entry confirmation and keep a backup. And that's it. Now you know how to check your DV 2026 result and avoid the biggest mistakes people make. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more updates on the diversity visa process. Comment below if you have any questions or if you've been selected. I'd love to hear your story. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next video about what to do after you're selected. Thanks for watching, and best of luck to everyone.